Good morning, friend. In last two lecture, we are discussing about the median. In last two lecture, already we have discussed about the median. Median ઉપરનું last two lectures માં બધું discussion થઈ ગયું. Unknown frequency already we have find out. Now discuss with the already we have discussed exercise 14.3, exercise 14.3 question 1 to 7. So first we have complete, second we have complete, and sixth we have complete. Seventh already complete in first lecture. So of median. Now, today's topic is what? Question number 3. Age in a year is given and number of policy holders are given. So, age in a year is given like that: below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60. Below मतलब नीचे. Below 20 થી નીચે in years. So, those who are younger, any policy is ઓછી હોય always. So it has only two. Below 25, so 25 થી જેટલા હતા એની કેટલી છે 6. Below 30, so 30 years થી જે નીચેના સ્ટુડન્ટ છે, number of age વાળા 30 થી નીચેના જે પર્સન છે એની પાસે number of policy holders are 24. So what is the first target when such type of sums are there? જ્યારે આ પ્રકારના sums હોય ત્યારે પહેલો ટાર્ગેટ શું? That is we want to now make into class interval. શું કરવું છે? Always class interval. So if you will see properly, અહીંયા જો below 20, below 25, below, so 5 difference is there. So class size is 5. So how we can write below 20? So class size is 5. So between 15 to 20 we have to write, because here it is below 20. So up to how we have to go up to the 5, because class difference is 5. Difference to 5 no, 5 no. So now class interval is 15 to 20. Next is below 25. So 20 to 25. Below 30, that is 25 to 30. Below 35, that is 30 to 35. Below 40, that is 35 to 40. So when below is there, remember when below is there, these are all the upper limit. Here it is lower limit, but upper limit is given. It means when below is below and above, there are two different types of sum. One is called below and another is above. When below is there, what is our target? You have to write 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 up to 60. These are all the upper limit always. And lower limit, how we can find? Lower limit કેમ ગોતવાની? તો 5 no difference. So 20, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Now again, number of policies are there. The total number of policies are 100. So first of all, we have to find out the frequency of each class, because here the range is given. Below 20, 2. Below 25, 6. Now you will see that below 22 હોય, below 25 6 હોય, so between 20 to 25 કેટલા હોય? Okay, 6 minus 2, that is 4. That is important. Again, below 20, that is 2. Below 25, that is 6. So between this you will see the gap. અહીંયા કેટલાનો gap છે? 5. So 6 minus 2, that is 4. So frequency of the first group is 2 as it is. Frequency of the first class interval, that is 1520, is 2. Now in second, how we can find out? That is why I am writing subtraction of each. So second class interval 20 to 25, what is the frequency? 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Next, how we can find 25, 24 minus 6. Always 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6. So how we have to make a subtraction of it? First 2 as it is. Frequency we have to find out. After all, we can find out CF, because it is a one type of CF is given. So frequency we have to find out. How we can find out frequency? Again, first class interval 15 to 20, so 2 as it is. Now for second, how we can find out? 6 minus 2, that is 4. Third, how we can find out? 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6, that is 18. Fourth frequency, how we can find out? 45 minus 24. 45 minus 24, that is 21. Next, 78 minus 48, 45, 78 minus 45, 33. 89 minus 78, 89 minus 78, 11. 92 minus 80, 92 minus 89, that is 3. And 98 minus 92, 98 minus that is 6. And last 100 minus 98 is 2. Why I have to find frequency? Because when we simplify the sum, we need frequency. જ્યારે આપણે મીડિયન નો સમ ડિસ્કસ કરતા હોય ત્યારે એની અંદર frequency આવે છે. That is why it is important to find out frequency. Now CF is there, so CF we have to find out. Now question is, first of all we have to find out the median class. So if you will see median class 100, so median class is equal to CF greater than n by 2. So CF greater than 100 by 2, that is CF greater than 50. 50 કરતા મોટી CF કેમ આવશે? That is 78. So what I have to do? I have to make a rectangle at here. Now it is easy for us to solve this sum. Why? Because here it is CF. Here it is our frequency F. Here it is L, and H is equal to 10. So now median class formula M, median class or median M is equal to L. First, what is L? 35 plus N by 2, that is 100 divided by 2, that is 50, minus CF, that is 45, upon frequency F, that is 33, into 5 height. So 35 plus 50 minus 5 into 5 upon 33. So 35 plus 25 upon 33. So 35 plus 25 upon 33, we will get 0.76. So 35 plus 0.76. So 35.76 is the answer. So median M is equal to 35.76. Again I am explaining because this is the important sum. I think you have to write this sum, because when below is there, always how we can find out? Always remember below 20, below 25, below 30, 35, 40, below 20, 20. These are all the class interval upper limit. In 5 you have to subtract 5 because class difference is 5. Class difference is 5. So 15, 20, again here 20, 25, 30, 25, 30, 30, 35, 35, 40, 40, 45, 45, 50, 50, 55, and 55, 60, because it is always upper limit. When here below is there, when above is there, you have to write the lower limit. It is lower limit. Always remember it. I think you have to write it now. Write it now, this sum. Why I am continue to you આ sums ને continuous આવી રીતે run કરીએ તો you can go through it proper way. તમે આખા સમને પાછો visualize રૂપે જોઈ શકો છો. Then you can easily remember. So most important sums we have completed. Now still one sum, that is question number 4, that we have to do now. So I think I have to rub now. Now only two sums left. So out of two, one that I have to do now. So now question number 4 I am doing. Now question number 4 is like that. Length of the leaves of plant are measured correct to nearest millimeter and the data obtained is represented in the following table. Find the median of the length of the leaves. Find the median of the length of the leaves. But here question is in form of, if you will see, 118 to 126. Now 127 to 135. 136 to 144. So here continuous frequency is not there. Continuous class interval is not. Break is there. 126, 127. So how we can make continue, that is important for us. If you will see properly the graph length, there is a one break between two class interval. It is not called continuous class. So if you will see properly here, it is not in form of continue. So what we have to do, that is important. So first I will write 3. Okay. So here class is given and it is not in continuous form. What is our first target? To make it continue. Yeah. 118 to 126, 127, 135, 136, 144, 145, 153, 154, 162. So between here one blank is there. 118, 126. Now 127. So between them 0.5 difference is there. Because one difference is that what we have to do, we have to make a continuous class. So first make the class continuous for subtracting 0.5 from the lower limit and adding 0.5 to the upper limit. What is my first target? Subtract 0.5. So subtract 0.5, that is 117.5, and adding 0.5 to the upper limit, that is 126.5. That is our target. Now if you again 0.5 minus subtract 0.5 from lower limit, always remember, and add 0.5 to upper limit. Why? Because difference is 1. Now again 126.5 to 134, 135.5. Again here 135.5 to 144.5. Again here 144.5 to 153.5. Again 153.5 to 162.5. Again 162.5 to 171.5. Again 171.5 to 180.5. Why I am doing like that? To make the class equal. Now you will check properly, it is equal. So that is important for us. How to find out h? Now to find out h, it is easy. You can find out h. What is the difference at here? 9. 126.5 minus 117.5, you will get 9. But first of all, we have to write the now frequency and then CA. So here it is now class. Here class intervals are there, but one difference is between the two class. Now we have to go continue. Now next second target frequency I have to write, that is 3. First given as a 3. Here 05, 09, 12, 0.5, 0.4 and 0.2. Now I have to add this 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 2, 29, 29 plus 5, 29 plus 5, that is 34, 34 plus 6, that is 40. Now I have to find out CF 03, 3 plus 5, 08, 08 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. Now median class, how we can find out n by 2? Median class CF greater than equal to n by 2. So 40 divided by 2, 20. Where is the CF 20 here? 29. So what I have to make a mark. Now it is easy for to find out. Here what I have to write? CF. Here I am to write frequency and L. Now we can put all the values in the median formula. We can get median. So L is 144.5, 144.5 plus n by 2, that is n by 2, 40 divided by 2, that is 20. So here 20 minus CF, that is 17, and frequency, that is 12, and height h. So if you will see the height, 9 difference is there. H is equal to 153.5 minus 153.5. You will get 0, 9. So 9 is the height. So 144.5. Now 3 divided by 12 into 9. So 144.5 plus. So it may be 9 by 5. So we can 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 is equal to 2.24. So 9 by 4. 9 by 4. That is 144 plus 2.25. So 146.75. So median is equal to 146.75. So median, the length of the leaves is equal to length of leaves is equal to 146.75 mm. So answer must be in mm. So 14.3, 7 sums are there. First complete, second complete, third complete. Here it is the fourth complete, sixth complete, seventh complete. Only now one sum is left, that is fifth sum. So I think it is also in NCERT board 2010. But it's simply you have to find out the frequency, find out the median. Question is like, following table gives distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon bulbs. So 400 neon bulbs you have to find out the lifetime. So in over it is given, that is class 15 to 200, 2000, 2000 to 250. A number of lamps that work in overs. So it is given total is 400. You have to simplify and give the answer. I think first you write this, then we can discuss on next sum. Can I explain it again or not? Again, difference is there, so you have to add, subtract 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 to upper limit. That is sufficient for us. So now question number 5, that you have to do it yourself. So in your fair book anyhow, you have to complete exercise 14.3. If you have some doubt, you can ask to me or me sir in WhatsApp group also. So that is sufficient. So in next lecture, what we have to do? In next lecture, we have to do the OGIV. That is important for us. So we have to do the graph related it. So 14th lesson, main topic we have completed. That is mean, median, and mode. Now multi-purpose sum, that we have to find out all these three things: mean, median, and mode. That we have seen in the next lecture. Thank you.